Some truck drivers are just petty. I can barely. Wait, that's so strong. Wait, he must have actually known there was a puddle coming up. Hold on, look. He slowed down. Because he was just ahead of him. Yeah. Yeah, free shower, enjoy, bitch. As a truck driver, I've done this. If you're a dickbag on the road to truck drivers, you get what you freaking deserve. Honest to God. I have been drenched head to toe by like a car zooming past me. It sucked. I hated it. He probably crashed. Guys, he probably didn't crash. My God. He's fine. It's just some water. Frick him. Driving a motorcycle in the rain isn't a good idea in and of itself. Yeah, you can hydroplane really easily.